Straight ahead on our news at 5 o'clock, deadly pursuit. Were cops chasing the wrong car? New late information in that fatal crash that claimed the lives of an off-duty police officer and a young woman.
Surveillance video of a police pursuit, but were officers chasing the wrong car? What happened next claimed the lives of 2 drivers.
Happening now, investigators are trying to determine what caused a deadly early morning crash. A horrific scene at the corner of Costner and Roosevelt. Police say an off-duty officer was fleeing from a marked squad car. That officer was killed when his car collided with another vehicle. The woman driving that car was also killed.
And tonight we're learning what happened moments before that crash. NBC5 investigates. Phil Rogers has the details now in the newsroom. Phil?
Yeah, Dick, at about 1 this morning, an area central gang team thought they had spotted a car used in a carjacking from June 10th at Augusta and Wood. They were wrong. It was actually a fellow officer. But they said when they rolled after him, he ran. And when it was all over, 2 people were dead.
When officers attempt to curb a vehicle, they don't know whether or not that person is going to comply.
There are still a lot of unanswered questions about this accident.
6715. 714 Adam. Just at Black Cherokee.
At that point, the officers almost certainly were already in pursuit, but only 12 seconds elapses before that initial call and this one.
Squad Costner and Roosevelt. Cherokee just got into a bad accident.
That contrasts with what we now know, that the episode began at Independence and Roosevelt when the officers saw the suspect car roll through a stop sign. But the chase actually ended fully 12 blocks away at Costner and Roosevelt.
Auto accident, Costner and Roosevelt. 10-4, we get ambulance rolling. Are you guys involved? Everybody all right? This squad, you're not involved.
There are many things that we don't know.
Attorney Antonio Romanucci has represented the families of numerous individuals killed in police chases.
Did they get permission for the chase? Was the balance test employed here? What was the risk to the public?
Those are key questions this evening. That balance test in Chicago's general orders clearly states that chases are only to be performed when the necessity to immediately apprehend the fleeing suspect outweighs the level of inherent danger created by a motor vehicle pursuit. In this case, police thought the car they had spotted matched a Jeep used in a carjacking here at Augusta and Wood June 10th. It was not that car, and no one knows why the off-duty officer chose to flee.
This is what's so dangerous about police chases. This is why those general orders have been revamped time and time again to try to limit chases only when absolutely necessary.
At one point, the pursuing officers turned off their flashing lights. If they were still chasing, that would be a violation of the rules. And a source tells NBC5 investigates there is a lot of evidence in this case, including numerous police pod cameras which captured the entire chase. Still lots to be sorted out. Our Regina Waldrop spoke to the mother of the woman killed in this incident. She will have that and much more at 6 o'clock. For now, live in the newsroom, Phil Rogers, NBC5.
We'll look forward to the next report. Thank you, Phil.